Hi, finally I managed to send you a video. I've been trying to upload it on YouTube and it didn't work. I've been waiting for like the past 15 minutes. So I used this quick capture option that they have on YouTube and it's already using my webcam from the laptop and whatever. So hi Ricky, Evan and Jonah. Look at this. This is Cola. She's our new dog. Can you see her? I don't know if the light is good in this area. She's got like this little pinch or whatever. She's pretty stinky. I don't know if she did something or didn't. I hope not on me. We really didn't need a second dog, but my sister really wanted one, so then we got her, and now it's really loud in the house, and they both bark, and we actually don't live in a house, we live in an apartment. So it's becoming quite a problem with our neighbors. As you can see, I got my hair, see? And what else about me? Okay, enough. Showed you my cute little puppy. Then I wanted to say again, as usual, that I really miss you, Ricky and Evan and Jonah and everybody, and Denise and Rob, and what else? Oh wait, about the social security number. Of course, I'll give it to you. It's 311-1272. Again, 300-1272. Right? So I'll say just one more time to make sure. 300-1272. What else? Let me think. I really wanted to upload lots of videos to you guys, and every day I think about you and I say, oh, when am I going to write to the Lubos, or when am I going to send them pictures or videos? But the only problem is that I didn't get a chance to, because I have to work on this final paper that I have to give in by the half of June, and I've got lots of projects at other subjects. I also, I think I wrote it to you, Denise. I teach private English lessons, and I'm really happy I'm making a little bit of money out of that. I started working out at this gym where I'm actually an aerobics instructor, so I'm a lot more fit than I used to be. And that's about it. And it was so funny how you guys said that you were laughing about my last video when I was saying, Cookie, come here and have some meat. Yeah, I give him a lot of meat. He eats a lot, and the other little puppy eats a lot. Well, the little puppy, at least she's going to stay little. She's not going to be bigger and not going to bother us a lot. But sometimes I just sleep, and then I wake up in the morning and one is pushing me from one side and the other one is pushing my legs, and they're really like, they like getting comfy and they don't care about you. What else? I really miss the kids. I wonder who's taking care of the kids now. I mean, like, besides you, Denise, do you have any other help? I mean, besides you and Rob. That was a stupid joke. No, not a stupid joke, like a stupid funny moment. Okay, and well, you know what I meant. And how's she doing the cleaning also? And I just wanted you to know that every day I tell Marcel, oh my God, I'm so sorry we're not in America anymore, and I wish we could be there again. And then we talk to friends who say that other people have stayed over their visa and they could go back, and I don't know. And they've been talking about giving visas to Romanians a lot easier, but actually I don't think it's going anywhere. So I guess we'll just have to be patient and wait. I don't know. I would like plan a really nice vacation to Chicago sometime, like in a year or two. I don't know. For sure, by the end of the summer, I'll get a job. Marcel already works in a bank, and he's trying to like give loans to people, and he's making a pretty good salary. So things are not too bad. Besides not being in America, which makes a lot grayer sky, not blue, and a lot grayer buildings. Everything's dirty. People are pretty poor. Life's nice. I mean, we go out. We have a lot of fun with friends. Tomorrow we're going on this trip to the mountains just for like 2 days, and I like it, but I don't know. I really miss everything about Chicago. It was like my all-time favorite city. Please, guys, let me know how you are doing, and how's Jonah, and how's Evan and Ricky, and I bet Evan is so big, and what other progress has Ricky done? Is she still going horse riding, or how is she, and how's Evan? Is he, I bet he speaks a lot better, and he's done progresses too. And Jonah as well with school and everything, and well, I guess this will be a long enough video. I just wanted to say have a very good Shabbos and a very nice Shabbos, a very nice holiday. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to say Happy Purim to you guys before it was, because I know it was like a couple of weeks ago, Malia told me. And I just wanted to know that I'm sending you lots of hugs and kisses. and I'll miss you. Oh, sorry, my computer's running out. Just my battery. Just 1 second. Oh my God, that was like a marathon. Because if it ran out, it would just stop and the battery goes out and then I have to record it again. Oh my God, okay. Everything seems to be going wrong, but I'll still manage to send you this video today on Friday before Shabbos. Really miss you guys. Lots of hugs and kisses. A little from Monica. And I can't wait to see you again. I'm sure I'll see you again. Bye. Take care. Lots of hugs and kisses. Bye.